Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Review TV. This time we have a Play-Doh set to review. With a difference, it is the new Star Wars Millennium Falcon Can-Head set. This looks awesome. We do get 5 pots of Play-Doh, all with different faces, Star Wars characters on there. 280 grams of Play-Doh, and this is from Hasbro, ages 3 years and up. As I spin to the back, we can see the set in its entirety there, but let's open it up and see what we get inside. So let's take all the contents out and we can see exactly what we have included. We have big leaflets inside we don't really want. There are all our Play-Doh Can-Heads, and we do have the Millennium Falcon playset there and all these extra little bits to attach to it. Included in this set are Can-Heads are the evil Darth Vader. Very, very scary. We also have Luke Skywalker. We have Chewbacca, the ever faithful Wookiee. We have Han Solo to drive the Millennium Falcon. And we have Princess Leia. Here is our Millennium Falcon. Let's take a quick spin of this. We do get the thruster system at the back, which are these blue pieces, and you can take those out. And these do have separate molds on. We have blasters on there and all kinds of different weapons that you can mold with your Play-Doh. We even have on the side, we have these stamps as well. You can put your Play-Doh in there and stamp out what seems to be an Imperial Cruiser. And on this side we have a TIE Fighter as well. We even have places to put your Can-Heads. Your Can-Heads will fit in these circular pieces. You can take Han Solo and put him in the driving seat, and that does flip this flipper in the middle as well, so you can flip your Play-Doh. We have lots more of these circular pieces around the Millennium Falcon, so you can slot your Can-Heads in all of those different spaces. There are even some at the rear of the Millennium Falcon. All around the Falcon we do have all these different areas to mould your different shapes. They are absolutely everywhere, different shapes all over the place. There is the TIE Fighter a bit more up close, so you can see that's a bit better. Here is our Imperial Cruiser as well. That's very, very cool. We have a missile there, blaster. We have another blaster. We have blasters here. We have a Chewbacca's crossbow there, it looks like. So very, very cool. And there you go. There is the underside of that flipping mechanism as well. There are absolutely hundreds of spaces that you can mold out shapes, so let's check that out now. The radar dish is also removable. If you remove that, there is a shape underneath, and there is another shape under there as well. So let's take some of this Play-Doh and we can squish that down inside, and then if we get the radar dish, we can push that down and then pull that out, and we do get a double-sided print there. That looks like guns, and that is a very cool looking missile. You could even squish out the shape in the dish as well, and that looks like R2-D2's head. Actually, it is very cool. We have an R2-D2 dome. So there it is, guys, the Play-Doh Can-Heads Millennium Falcon, an awesome Star Wars Play-Doh playset. This is actually a very good toy. Love all the can heads that come with this. We do get a total of 5, and as you can see, you can create some very cool shapes and vehicles as well. Well guys, please do let me know in the comments section below what you think of this. If you have it already, do you enjoy it? And I would like to thank you for tuning in and watching this review. Please do rate, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you here next time on Toy Review TV.